Hello guys, review OPPO A40m. This version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory. Open box and look completion. In completion we have only Type-C cable without adapter for charging. Okay. On the back side, double camera, black color device. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Type-C port, speaker. On the downside, headphones jack. On this side, power button and warm buttons. Power button with fingerprint scanner. We have display, 6.7 inch. Open settings. About phone, we have Android 14 and ColorOS 14. Open test, Geekbench 6. This display HD resolution, IPS 90 Hz. Single core score and multi-core score results. Close this. Open AnTuTu benchmark. AnTuTu benchmark results. Close this. And run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load, and game works on the only on the low graphic level. Very good, very bad performance on this game. Okay, close this. And now I show you camera. Video we can record in HD or 30 fps or full HD 30 fps, photo and others. Okay, close this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.